Welcome to King's Exploits channel, and if you're looking for some fun and inspiration, you're in the right place.
Life, we all have dreams and hopes that propel us forward. But have you ever stopped to ponder the nuances between the two? Dreams, they're like a roadmap to our aspirations, a clear vision of what we want to achieve. Whether it's becoming a doctor or owning a bakery, dreams are specific goals that drive us to take action. We invest our time and effort, nurturing them like a seed in fertile soil, knowing that with dedication, they can blossom into reality. On the other hand, hope is like a gentle whisper of positivity, a general desire for good things to come our way. It's the wish for a sunny day or a good grade on a test, a feeling of expectation without the detailed blueprint of a dream. Hope is passive, a silent observer in the background, not requiring us to actively pursue it like a dream. While dreams are rooted in attainability, pushing us to strive for something within reach, hope knows no bounds. It can be for the improbable, the unlikely, the far-fetched. Dreaming of winning the lottery may be a wish, not a dream. There's a distinction between having a dream and merely daydreaming, between planting a seed in fertile soil and casting a wish into the wind. So, as you navigate through life, remember the difference between dreams and hopes. Nurture your dreams with action and determination, knowing that they have the potential to become your reality. And let hope be the gentle breeze that carries you forward, embracing the uncertainty of what may come. Dream big, hope endlessly, and watch as your future unfolds before you, a beautiful tapestry woven with the threads of your aspirations.
Thanks for watching the entire video. Remember, your feedback will help us improve the quality of the channel. See you again soon on a similar video. Have a great day.